Hey YouTubers, welcome to Southwest Desert Farming. I'm Michael and Stacey. Say hey Stacey. We are today getting our workshop, well that's a storage building, working on it, getting it put up, hopefully before the rain and everything comes today. The decking is fairly level, but this bracket on the bottom has to be screwed down. And this is kind of a neat shed setup because the panels are actually vinyl and they have cavities, which if you really wanted to use this like a little mini workshop, you could fill that with some cellulose or some kind of insulation to make it warm. But has some vents and some nice doors. We'll have more video of that as well. It's not quite a beautiful day. I'll give you a heads up, it's kind of overcast. You can see the mountains there, but this is what we got so far. And you know, we got the roof and the doors over there, but we're getting this all put together, and it's looking pretty good. It's not perfect because again, we did not do anything to the ground like adding gravel or anything, because this is not going to be a permanent setup. And at some point we'll relocate this to another location, but for now we need it here, and it'll be close to the store, our regular shed or workshop, whatever you want to call it, to move stuff around. And at some point we are going to extend this to a partial pole barn all the way to here, and then this will all be open and full of gravel. But for now, since we don't have it all nailed down to figure out how we're going to do it, we'll be move stuff here, move stuff there, and at some point it'll find a permanent spot. One of the good things about working on the farm and the chickens out and about is I can always watch Stacey screwing around. Okay, here we have it. Not all the screws are in yet, but we got all of this set up. Everything's come together. All of this has been done without directions, so we've kind of been oh, here's my bit. I'm about to get that now here. Let's see. Anyways, without direction, you know, some of the holes were pre-drilled, but we were able to get it all together. There's one of the holes that came all the way through, but anyways, looks like we actually have us a structure now. Here you go. I decided to go doors in after all. I may put a little porch looking thing there to keep the rain from filling in here. Anyway, there you have it, YouTubers. Since the start of this project today, the sun has gradually come out, and I'm actually sweating even with my long sleeve on. But man, the mountains sure are beautiful. Little at a time we're getting it going. But here's a shout out to Will and Morgan. Thanks for watching me, and everybody else, thank you again, and I hope you have a wonderful day.